Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Mini Cooper window. We'll start by identifying the common problems that prevent your window from working correctly, like a faulty motor or a broken regulator. Then, we'll go over the essential tools you'll need to get the job done efficiently. Finally, I'll provide a clear overview of the entire repair process, ensuring you're prepared for each step. This guide aims to make your repair straightforward and successful. Before diving into the repair, you'll need to carefully remove the door panel. This step requires patience to avoid damaging the clips or trim. Once the panel is off, thoroughly inspect the window motor and regulator for any signs of wear, corrosion, or breakage. It's also crucial to test the electrical connections to ensure power is reaching the motor. A multimeter can help confirm proper voltage. Now, let's get to the repair. First, carefully disconnect the old window motor and regulator assembly. This often involves unbolting a few fasteners and detaching the window glass from the regulator. Next, install your new motor and regulator, ensuring it's properly aligned and securely fastened. Reconnect all electrical components, making sure every wire is in its correct place. A snug fit is essential for reliable operation. After installing the new parts, it's vital to test the window's movement thoroughly. Operate it up and down several times to confirm smooth and consistent operation. Listen for any unusual noises. Once you're satisfied, carefully reinstall the door panel, making sure all clips and screws are securely in place. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book about money and other helpful deals. This final check ensures everything is perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.